What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on the Dex activity, Nadeko Gimiya was having a special dinner to Gimiya's home in Japan. On Instagram post, Nadek and Mami Mikyo posted on Instagram their cute photo in a short video clip that shows that they're having their quality time together. Mama Maker says with a caption, a family time and a happy time. No matter how long the days goes by, still always care and miss each other. This evening, my son is representing Papa Yoshio to come to say to hi to Auntie and everyone in Kugimiya's family. The happy yes and this feeling will last forever. Thank you so much to all Kugimiya family. The Kugimiya
Happy
family
birthday!
has also wished King Barana
นายหญิงมีความ
a
สุ
happy
ขมากๆนะครั
birthday,
บ
sending
ขอให้น้องห
hugs
ญิง
and
มีความสุข
kisses
มากๆนะคะ
to each
สวย
other.
แฮปปี้ตลอดการแข็งแรง
And
นะคะน้
guess
องหญิง
Yang was very
インちゃ
happy
ん、お
to see
誕生日おめ
it.
でとう。また遊びに行きますね。インよろしく。
はじめまして、ジンです。また遊びに行きます。よろしくお願いします。ครับมีความสุขมากนะครับเลิฟยูนะหญิงครับเทคแคร์ครับ
รักน้องหญิงจ้า
บุญจังก็รักนะหญิงนะครับ
บ๊ายบาย
Nadeko Gimiya can't help it but posted on Instagram the throwback photo of his mommy and daddy. Nadek was so happy and blessed for having a good parents like them. Yesterday, on Recess activity, Recess Beer Band was on the set to complete the last episode of the drama together with his best friend Mark Payne. Recess Beer Band was so happy and blessed with all of the team, cast, especially to the director.